In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code completely for free to do your SEO for you. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up Claude Code Router, and we're going to be using DeepSeek Flash inside Claude Code with a completely free account. So we're going to be doing all of the steps together. I have just run through this, but I'll do it again so that everyone can work out how this is done. So the first thing you want to do is just search Claude Code Router on Google. And then I'm on a Mac, so I'm just going to select Mac here. I'm on Silicon, I believe. Never used their desktop app before. Normally, I just go through the CLI version of it. But let's have a look at their desktop app together. So I didn't actually realize that this was possible until yesterday. Someone left a comment on the video that I made. I actually thought you needed a Claude Code subscription to use Claude Code, just full stop, end of story. But you actually don't, which is pretty cool. So let's just get this going. This is Claude Code Router. Let's just install this. Did that work? Okay, and then let's open Claude Code Router. Beautiful. So let's just follow the steps here. Open providers, add provider. Okay, beautiful. So after getting past the what is it? The security. I'm just using ChatGPT here to just get past the various security. Okay, so I need to kill the current running process of Claude Router, which I have running. Okay, let's just copy all these. Oh, kill. I need to kill. What is it? 15795. Okay. And then if we do this again. Okay, beautiful. So now this should be running. Let's just close this again and then reopen Claude Code Router. Claude Code Router. Should now be running. There we go. Beautiful. So we want to use Claude Code Agent. So I'm just going to select DeepSeek V4 Flash for everything here. Opus model, DeepSeek V4 Flash. Sonnet model, DeepSeek V4 Flash. Haiku model, DeepSeek V4 Flash. There we go. Why can I not press the next step? Let's see. Default model is required. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. So let's go next. I believe the next thing... Okay, so I already have my OpenRouter API key set. That's why that just worked immediately. Okay, so this should be set up. So if I go here and go cd ... and then mkdir free Claude code free, and I'm just going to write clear, and then cd Claude code free. If I now write, I think I have to write CCR, right? Or maybe I don't. Let's just write Claude here. This, and then /model. Okay, there we go, boom. So we're now using the correct one. I'm just going to show you guys that I am using a completely free account. So I'll just do log out here, and then I'll write Claude here, and then dark mode, sure, yes, use recommended settings. So what you want to do is you want to do Anthropic console account, and I don't want to use this plan, so because that's a paid plan. I'm trying to show you guys that you can use this completely for free. So let's just select a random email that I know for a fact has no paid plan. You can see here this this account has never been used inside the Claude API, right? So we can skip this for now, and then authorize, and then we should be logged in, right? And then if I do model, make sure we're on V4 Flash, and then if I say hi, this should work. Okay, let's see. There we go. We have a response. So now if I go to OpenRouter and I go to logs, we should see DeepSeek V4 Flash right here. There it is, 11:58. Oh, that's not the right one. There it is, 12:05, DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731, DigitalOcean inside Claude Code, completely for free, right? Okay, just before we get too deep into the video, guys, quick shout out from our sponsor, me. This is HarborSEO.ai. So Harbor is my AI SEO tool, and I personally think it's one of the best on the market. All you do is come up here, add your website. I give you unlimited websites, so you can use as many websites as you want, right? So let's just say we go for twomen.it. Actually, let's go for ballanderipark.com because that's the one we're going to be working on today. ballanderipark.com. We'll call this Ballanderi, and then you just run through the setup here, just continue, add site, and then it instantly starts trying to find keywords specific to your website. So as you can see here, this finishes, it gives you real keywords with actual traffic from Google. It uses Google Ads keyword planner, basically the API. It finds real numbers, it finds amazing keywords that you just won't find anywhere else. And then within 3 clicks, right, all you do is just press write this now, and it instantly starts writing the article. Here's the one that I did yesterday. So it writes these beautiful articles with images from your website, tables that rank really, really well on Google, internal links to help the rest of your website basically rank on Google, right? So if we click this link, you can see this is an internal link. So the way this works is it attempts to help you build topical authority so that your website generally ranks better on Google. I personally don't actually care about, ranking the blog on Google. The reason I write these blogs is to rank the rest of the website on Google and also inside LLMs, which you can also track inside Harbor now with our LLM prompt tracking system. All of this is included in the incredibly low price of €29 a month. We currently have founder pricing, which allows you to get more articles and more bang for your buck. There really is no excuse. Go and make a free account right now. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment. And if you like Harbor and want to support me and the channel, then feel free to go and lock in founder pricing as well. You can also get 50% off your first month using Comeback50. All of that is on the website. There's a link for Harbor in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you so much for your attention. Let's jump back into the video. Okay, so this is actually a pretty cool system. I didn't know that they had this desktop app. I do like this because you can keep track of everything, including estimated cost, which is obviously the most important. So I'm now inside the Ballandary Park conversation. I'm just going to say, take a look at my website and what I'm trying to rank for and how I'm ranking for it, right? While that's running, I'm just going to go to Google Ads Keyword Planner, and on the side here, I'm just going to click Tools and then Keyword Planner, and then Discover New Keywords. Change this to actually Island is fine. And what we can do is we can start to look what's actually ranking already. So if you don't know, you can actually put your website here and put like, I don't know, hen, and then get results. And this will actually show you what you're already ranking for on Google. So you can do this to your competitors as well. Oh, sorry, yeah, you're supposed to press start with the website and then ballandarypark.com. So these are kind of what Google has already picked up for the website, right? Just generally. There's 1,000 keywords here. And what we can do is we can do average monthly searches down, and we can look for things that we are not ranking for that we want to be ranking for, right? These are also pretty good for, you can see here it says account status in account. So like we're not actually going for wedding for the venue or wedding venues island, which is kind of crazy to me. I'm not sure why we're not trying to rank for those on Google Ads. You can see here this is very much a wedding venue according to Google Ads Keyword Planner. As you can see, pretty much every single keyword is wedding related, which is very, very interesting. Okay, so there's this one here, unique Irish wedding venues. I quite like this keyword, and it would be very, very easy for us to rank for it, I think. It's got 210 searches a month. What we can actually do from there is we can reverse engineer this. So we go to start with keyword now. We remove our website. We put the keyword that I just found that I liked, and sometimes it pops up with more keywords, but this time it hasn't. So let's see if I do unique wedding venues like that, if it pops up with more. There we go. Tons and tons and tons of more keywords that we can include. What we can do from here is we can press show rows, do 500, click this button right here, press copy, and then go back to this, right? I'm just going to press escape. I don't even know what it's up to. Please make this page based off all my other pages. Use as many of these keywords as possible with Irish plus Ireland plus Galway location keywords filtered throughout, right? Then we just paste that huge list of keywords that we just found, right? None of these are in the account either, so we're not ranking for any of these on Google Ads, right? And then we just let this run and we see what happens. Obviously, South Yorkshire, North Yorkshire, not really relevant. So some of these aren't exactly relevant, but a lot of these are. So cool wedding spots, cool venues for weddings. Like you can see how we can then build a page around all of these keywords and start to rank for it, right? Again, we can keep an eye on how much this is all costing as well. I've currently spent 3 cents, which is completely crazy. Okay, and it's now done. Now that did take a little bit of time. I actually had to do some kind of chunking. I kept getting this weird error, API error, response stalled midstream, the response above may be incomplete. So what I did was I said, do it in chunks, please. One big file is not working. So it basically did everything in chunks. And yeah, it's now done. So the total cost of everything, because I'm not paying for Claude Code, 8 cents, which is absolutely crazy if you think about it. So there we go. So alternative, quirky, exclusive use, unique wedding venues, island, alternative Galway country estate, Ballandary Park. The most unusual place to have a wedding in Ireland. Okay. What makes one of the blah blah blah. Okay. Beautiful, 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 amazing, incredible. Really, really good. You can see that it's done the SEO perfectly. It has also some hidden SEO, of course, in the JSON schema, which we can't see. And then let's go here, wedding packages island, beautiful. Okay, so yeah, it's now completely done. And that is everything, yeah. So as you can see, guys, you can use Claude Code pretty much completely for free. When I say for free, obviously you need a model, but there are actually models on OpenRouter. If you go on OpenRouter and go to models, and then on the side there is a cost thing, prompt pricing. If you put this all the way down to free, you can also use these models completely for free, right? So you literally don't have to pay for anything. Now, obviously, these free models are not as good as other models. I would definitely recommend using, at least a very, very cheap model like DeepSeek V4 Flash. But with all that being said, guys, I think I'll leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. This is a completely, pretty much free method of making SEO content and increasing your SEO and doing the SEO on your website using Google Ads, Keyword Planner, Claude Code Router, and Claude Code itself without a subscription. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, an absolute legend. Go and check out HarborSEO.ai now. There's a link in the comments and in the pin comment and in the description. It's the best way to support me and the channel. Thanks for watching, and if you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. Peace out.